Facebook allows you to change your primary email address on it. Want to learn how to do it? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So to change your primary email address on Facebook, first of all go to Facebook and open up the app just like this. Make sure to get logged in. It says currently just a demo account, so it looks blank here. But anyways, it's going to work the same way. So for that, tap on the three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings, tap on Personal and Account Information on this account section, tap on Contact Info below name. Here you can see currently youconspiring@gmail.com. This is my primary email address. Now the easiest and the most useful trick to change it is, first of all, add your secondary email address. Tap on Add Email Address below. You can add an additional email address here, the one that you want to use it as a primary one later. Keep your new email address just like this, and then to save this setting, you can enter your Facebook password. Tap on this blank section below and enter your current password. When you're done doing it, tap on Add Email below. So you can see that it's currently pending, the secondary one. You can tap on Confirm first of all. So they have just sent us the confirmation code. We need to go to our email address and check for the confirmation code. So currently I'm on to the home page of my own new primary email address that I want to add on Facebook. Tap on it on the top. Here's a notification, as you know that. So here is the confirmation code. You can tap on the code, copy it, go back to Facebook and paste the particular confirmation code just like this and tap on Confirm below. After entering a confirmation code, your secondary email address will be confirmed. Now to make it primary, what you have to do is you can just get into personal and account information one more time and tap Contact Info once again. You can see two of the email address here. The first one, youconspiring@gmail.com, that's the primary one, and Vibes Matter is the secondary one. So to make the recent email address, that is vibesmatter521@gmail.com, as a primary email address, you need to tap on it. You can see you have an option of removing it or making it primary. For that, tap on Make Primary below Confirmed. So you can see that it has been confirmed successfully. That is vibesmatter521@gmail.com. That's a primary email. And after making it primary, you can go back and get into Contact Info once again. Tap on You Conspiring below, which was the primary email address at the beginning, but right now it's secondary. Tap on it. So you can see you have an option of Remove on the bottom left corner. Tap on Remove. And yes, you can go back and refresh it once again. Go back to Settings and to Personal Account Information, Contact Info. After this, tap on Remove Email. So you can see the changes has been saved and you have successfully made this particular email address as primary, the new one. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.